Road traffic accidents continue to claim over 1 million lives globally each year. Structural fires displace families within minutes. Flooding intensifies due to climate and urban congestion. In densely populated areas, response time is critical. Yet many communities still rely on manual reporting systems. These challenges highlight the need for a smarter, more responsive system. Right now, UrbanWatch was developed to meet that need. It is designed to support community-based incident detection and rapid response. The system autonomously detects vehicular collisions, fire outbreaks, and rising flood levels. For blind spots and narrow alleyways, UrbanWatch deploys IoT sensor box. Each unit integrates sound sensors, vibration detection, Hall effect tamper monitoring, and a Raspberry Pi camera module. These devices analyze environmental anomalies and transmit alerts instantly to the system. At the operator level, UrbanWatch provides structured summaries, visual evidence, and mapped incident data. This supports faster decision-making, better coordination, and improved documentation. Instead of constant manual observation, operators are alerted only when verified hazards are detected. There is also a structured network of responders, is assigned to handle different types of emergencies. Through a mobile application, residents can submit geotagged concern, upload multimedia evidence, and communicate concerns directly from the incident location. Reports are processed and classified using an AI verification layer to reduce false alarms and prioritize urgency. Through manual report, the resident will provide title and description of the concern and attach supporting photos. Then, the user will select a category, then click Submit Concern. Once submitted, the report enters the system's verification process. The AI layer analyzes the content, evaluates its severity level, and determines whether immediate escalation is required. Once validated, concerns are automatically routed to the specific purok leader responsible for the area. Notifications are transmitted through SMS, push alerts, and a real-time monitoring dashboard. This ensures that information reaches the right authority without delay. The purok leader may then provide official remarks to document initial assessment or response actions taken. By selecting Acknowledge, the system records that the report has been reviewed and is actively being addressed. Once the situation has been handled, the incident can be marked as resolved.
UrbanWatch, supporting safer, smarter communities.